heroes, what a day. We love the Stade Francais, and they'll blow them away. And all we hear are songs in the street, 'cause the rest they will be, and the taste will be sweet. And now I'm singing heroes in their shirts. Everybody's gleaming. No more years of hurt, and no more need for dreaming. Talk about rugby coming home. You'll never walk alone. We were strong, and we've grown, and now I see us ready for more. The team good as before, now we're going for more. The crowd